A well-behaved dog is welcomed almost anywhere. And if your dog knows some basic dog training commands, he is also a lot safer. Common commands used for communicating with dogs in several languages. It is important to start training your new puppy as soon as you bring it home. Training can be done yourself or a professional can be hired. If you want to live a tension-free life with your lovely dog together, then it is essential to teach your dog some basic commands. There are some basic commands which are quite easy to teach and come in easy and in a variety of situations. Because of non-teaching the basic dog commands to the dogs may cause many behavioral problems which the dog owners experience with their dogs. Training the dog some basic commands is very important task because training contributes both of you and your dog close to each other and builds a good relationship between both two of you. The three main and essential commands are drop it command, sit command and come command. These three are very important commands and are very essential and necessary to teach to your dog if you want he should behave well.